What if I told you there is a free AI tool that rivals Google VEO and OpenAI Sora 2, generating videos with perfect lip sync and audio?
A young boy and girl in the car. Kill them. They found us.
It is the age of Ovi. I will never let that happen.
I thought we were supposed to tell each other everything.
Ruth, just come out, baby, come out.
You always give me extra foam.
That's how I bribe loyal customers.
Come with you. I just love
Fish and wire around the house pretending there was a poltergeist. No one touched that kettle, and boy, the wall.
Hope beats circuits every time. Humanity endures beyond your code.
And you can use it unlimited times with zero watermark. It sounds too good to be true, but it's real. It's here, and today I am showing you exactly how to use it. Stay with me because this is a complete game changer for content creators. Hey everyone, Shah Faisal Sheikh here. Welcome back to my channel where we explore the latest and greatest AI tools that are transforming content creation. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon because we are diving deep into cutting edge AI every single week. Today we are exploring OviAI, the world's first fully open source video generation model with native audio. Let's get into it. So what exactly is OviAI? It is released in September 2025 by Character AI. Ovi is a revolutionary AI video generator that creates 5-second clips with synchronized audio all in one generation. Unlike other tools that create video and audio separately and then stitch them together, Ovi uses something called twin backbone cross-model fusion architecture. I know that sounds super technical, but here is what it means in simple terms. Ovi has two powerful AI brains, one for video and one for audio, and they work together in real time. The video brain is based on WAN 2.2 model with 5 billion parameters, and the audio brain was trained from scratch on hundreds of thousands of hours of real audio with another 5 billion parameters. Then there is a fusion brain with 1 billion parameters that makes sure everything syncs perfectly, lips moving with words, sounds matching actions, emotion aligning with facial expression. The result, videos where dialogue, facial expression and ambient sound feels naturally aligned just like real footage. And here is the kicker, it's 100% free and open source. No subscription, no watermark, unlimited generation. Compare that to Google VO with cost $249 per month or OpenAI Sora 2 which requires waitlist and invite codes, and Ovi democratize professional audio AI videos creation for everyone. Let me break down the feature that makes Ovi absolutely incredible. Ovi generates 5-second video at 24 frames per second with 724 base resolution. You can even push it to 960 by 960 for higher quality if you want. It supports multiple aspect ratio like 9:16 vertical for TikTok and Instagram Reels and 16:19 widescreen for YouTube and 1:1 for square Instagram post. Synchronized audio, this is where Ovi truly shines. The audio includes realistic speech with proper emotion, background, music, ambient sound and sound effects, or perfectly timed with the visuals. The lip synchronization is so accurate that people genuinely can tell it's AI generated. So let's hear a demo.
Trust them doing, and I need you to trust them.
It is talent. It's all about authenticity. You got to be who you really are, especially if you're working.
It also has multi-character dialogue. Unlike most AI video tools, Ovi handles multi-people talking back and forth naturally. Each character maintains their own voice, emotion and timing. This is perfect for creating dialogue scenes, interviews or story content. Let's see an example for that.
Is there? I'll tell you what else there is. There's blue crab. I need a hard surface to work on, so I'm going to go to... You do. Is there? I'll tell you what else there is. There's blue crab. I need a hard surface to work. The trick is stirring it in just right.
Oh, you don't know. I don't understand.
It is the age of Ovi. I will never let that happen. It is the age of Ovi.
And it has also flexible input. You can generate videos from text alone, and you can upload an image and text to bring that image to life with motion and audio. And remember, all of this is completely free with no limits on how many videos you can create. Now let's talk about how to actually use Ovi. This is crucial because Ovi uses a special format that you need to understand to get great results. So anything you want to say will come between these two tags, the S tag and E tags, and you can also add emotion like this. For example, excited boys, this is amazing. Whatever dialogue you want to say, just put the S tag in the start and E tag in the end, and your prompt will come in between. And all background sounds, musics and sound effects goes between these two tags. And this is the example for it. So you can put the alt cap and end alt cap in the start and end, and whatever background music, sound and any effect you want to put, you can add in between this. And this is the example for using the prompt. This is the full prompt. You can take the screenshot of this, or you can join my Discord channel. I will also add this format in the Discord channel, or you can also visit the website of Ovi on Hugging Face. Now there are 5 pro tips for better result. One is keep your visual description clear and concise. Ovi uses it to set up the composition and movement. 2. Be specific with audio description instead of saying background music or soft jazz piano or upbeat electronic. 3. Don't overload too many sounds at once. Pick 3 or 5 key audio elements. 4. For multiple characters talking, use separate S tag for each person dialogue in sequence. 5. Experiment with different random seeds. If your first generation isn't perfect, try again with a different seed number. Result can vary significantly. So how do you actually get Ovi? There are 2 main ways. One is free online access via Hugging Face. This is the easiest method, perfect if you are just getting started. Go to huggingface.co/space/akalik/ov. You will need to create a free Hugging Face account. I have created my already. It takes literally 1 minute to create. Once you log in and allow access to your profile, and you're in. The interface is super simple. You can see, you will see an image upload tab. So click on here, and I am going to use this image of mine, or you can leave it blank if you want to generate the text to video. Below that, here is the prompt section. So I have already given this prompt. Now just click on generate video. It will take some 15 to 60 seconds depending on how busy the server is. So as you can see, it has generated the video.
Please subscribe to my channel if you learned anything from this video.
So audio is of female, so I am going to give the prompt for male voice, and you can give like this. Now hit generate again. Video has been generated. Let's check it out.
Please subscribe to my channel if you learned anything from this video.
So this isn't perfect. Just try it and let me know in the comment. For me, it took only 30 to 40 seconds. During peak hours, you might wait in a queue and generation can be slower if many people are using it. You can also install it locally on your system. So if you want unlimited generation with no waiting and you have a decent gaming PC, you can install Ovi locally on your computer. So here are the requirements to install Ovi on your local system. The minimum 16 to 24 GB of VRAM using FP8 quantization with CPU offloading. This works on cards like RTX 4060 Ti or RTX 3060 with 16 GB of VRAM. The recommended specification is 30 GB plus VRAM for full BF16 precision, RTX 4090 or 5090 or professional cards like H100. There are even optimized versions that can run on 6 to 8 VRAM with aggressive block swapping, but generation will be slower. You will also need Python 3.10 or higher, CUDA 12x and basic command line knowledge. The installation involves cloning the GitHub repository, creating a virtual environment, installing PyTorch and dependency, and downloading the model bits automatically. If you are already using Comfy UI for AI workflows, there is also a Comfy UI Ovi custom node that integrates seamlessly. I know local installation sounds complicated, but there are excellent step-by-step tutorial on GitHub and YouTube. I will link some of the best ones in the description below. Once you have it set up, you will have a professional AI video studio right on your desktop. No internet required, unlimited generation, lightning fast on high-end hardware. If you want me to make that video, just comment and let me know and I will make that for you. Now let's address the elephant in the room. How does Ovi really compare to the big players like Veo3 and Sora 2? This is where the Ovi dominates. Veo3 costs $249 per month for the Ultra plan. The cheaper is $19 for Pro plan, and has watermark and daily limits. Sora 2 requires waitlist and invite codes, plus you need a US or Canada IP address. OV completely free, unlimited, no watermarks ever. Quality. Honestly, Veo 3 and Sora 2 do have some advantage. Veo 3 supports up to 4K resolution and 60 FPS with clips up to 2 minutes long. Sora 2 can do up to 20 seconds at 1080p with excellent multi-shot consistency and physics simulation. OV is limited to 5 seconds at 720p. But, and this is just a big but, reviewers have noted that OV comes impressively close to the quality of these premium tools, especially considering it's free and open source. Where OV really shines is lip synchronization and multi-character dialogue. In these specific areas, it often matches or even surpasses the paid alternatives. Use case fit. Here is the truth. If you need a 2-minute cinematic short film at 4K, Veo 3 is your best bet. But if you are creating content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts or any social media platform where 5 to 15 second clips dominate, OV is perfect. The 5-second constraint is actually an advantage because that's actually the attention span you are working with on social media. OV generates videos in 15 to 60 seconds depending on your hardware, which is comparable to or faster than Veo 3 or Sora 2. Flexibility. Because OV is open source, developers are constantly improving it, building better interface and creating custom version. You have control over your tool, not logged into a company vision. Bottom line, for most creators, especially those focused on social media, OV delivers 90% of the quality at 0% of the cost. That's an incredible proposition. Let's talk about how you can actually use OV in your content creation workflow, YouTube Shorts and social media. Create attending, grabbing hook, cinematic intros, viral clips and engaging snippets. The 5-second format is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts and Facebook Stories. You can also create talking avatar videos. This is huge. Upload a portrait. It could be a photo of yourself, a brand mascot or an AI generated character. Then write dialogue. OV will make that character talk with perfect lip sync, appropriate facial expression and emotion. This is perfect for explainer videos, brand messaging, virtual host or even creating an AI influencer. You can also create educational content, generate quick explainer clips with narration for tutorial. The context appropriate dialogue, music and ambient sound makes your educational video feel professional without spending hours on audio editing. You can also use it for product demonstration, create compelling product demo videos with synchronized voice explaining features and benefits. The context matches sound effects like clicking buttons or product sounds add incredible realism. Storytime content. If you do storytelling or narration videos, generate cinematic B-roll clips with dialogue and emotion to illustrate your stories visually. Memes and entertainment. Let's be honest, the AI space is full of viral meme potential. Use OV to create funny dialogue, scenarios, parody content or entertaining clips that get share and views. The possibilities are truly endless. Everyday creators are discovering new ways to leverage this technology. Now I always believe in transparent, so let's talk about OV limitation. 5-second constraint. The biggest limitation is that clips are only 5 seconds long. If you need longer videos, you will need to generate multiple clips and stitch them together in one editor like CapCut or DaVinci or Premiere Pro. Resolution limits. 720p is lower than what premium tools offer, though you can push to higher resolution experimentally for most social media use. 720p is actually sufficient. Learning curve. The prompt format with special tags requires some practice. You need to study examples and experiment to get the hang of it. Human-centric bias. OV performs best with human subjects. It can struggle with complex animal scenes, abstract concepts or highly detailed non-human objects. Quality variable. Because it's a pre-training only model without reinforcement learning fine-tuning, results can vary between generation. Sometimes you will need to generate 2-3 times to get the perfect result. Local installation complexity. If you go the local route, you need technical knowledge of Python, CUDA and command line tools. It's not point and click simple. These limitations are important to understand, but for most use cases, especially social media and content creation, they are minor compared to the incredible value OV provides for free. The exciting news is that Character AI has shared their roadmap for OV future development, fine-tuning with higher resolution data and reinforcement learning, external video generation beyond 5 seconds, reference voice conditioning so you can upload a sample and keep characters consistent across videos, distilled models for even faster generation, training scripts for the community can create custom fine-tuned versions, better support for non-human subjects and complex scenes. The open source nature means the community is also improving it constantly. We are already seeing optimized version, better interface and creative workflow emerging from developers worldwide. Alright, so you are ready to try Ovi? Here is your action plan. Go to huggingface.com, this website, and create a free account if you don't have one. Start with a simple step, start with a simple test, upload a clear portrait photo, maybe even a selfie, and write a basic prompt. Click generate and wait for it to get generated. Your first video will be generated in under a minute. Download it, review the result, and note what worked and what didn't. Experiment it, try different prompts, different emotion in speech tags, different backgrounds. The more you practice, the better your results will come. Once you are comfortable, start integrating Ovi into your actual content workflow. Use it for hooks, B-rolls, talking avatar, product demos, whatever fits your needs. And if you want to level up with local installation, check out the GitHub repository and the installation tutorial I have linked in the description. Let me tell you why Ovi is such a big deal beyond just being a free tool. For years, advanced AI video generation has been locked behind paywalls, waitlist, and corporate controls. Tools like Veo 3 cost hundreds of dollars per month. Sora 2 requires invite codes and specific geographic access. These barriers kept professional AI video creation out for reach for independent creators, small businesses, and hobbyists. Ovi changes that by releasing the full model weights, inference code, and documentation, completely free and open source. Character AI has democratized this technology. Now, a student in India or in any country, a small business owner in Brazil, or an aspiring creator in Nigeria can access the same technology that major students and agencies use with zero cost. This is an unprecedented level of empowerment. It's no longer about who can afford the expensive tools, but who has the most creative ideas. This levels the playing field, allowing talent and innovation to emerge from anywhere in the world. Ovi also perfectly aligns with short form video era. The 5-second format is tailor-made for creating viral engaging content that captures attention immediately on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. For creators, this isn't just another tool, it's key to unlocking new creative possibilities and competing on a global stage. So what do you think about Ovi AI? Is this the open source revolution we have been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. I will put all the important links to the Hugging Face, the GitHub repository, and some great tutorials in the description. Go try it out for yourself. It's completely free. Share your first creation with me by tagging me on social media or describing it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you all create. And if you found this video helpful, want to see more deep dives into game-changing AI tools, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. It really helps support my work and ensure you never miss an update. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into Ovi AI. The world of AI is moving incredibly fast, but my mission is to break it all down for you so you can stay ahead of the curve. Next week, we are going to explore an AI tool that can clone your voice with just 5 seconds of audio. You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what possible. This is Shah Faisal Sheikh signing off.